In this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo code for Royal Caribbean. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device. If you're on PC or laptop, you can follow along too. And now from here inside Google, I'm going to type in Royal Caribbean promo code. So I'm going to click onto that, Royal Caribbean promo code. And then as you can see, you've got a few different third-party websites like RealTime offering codes, Simply Codes, Groupons, WeThriftIt, etc. So the one I like to use for this Royal Caribbean website is the WeThriftIt.com. And now I'm going to click into that. And now as you can see, 50% off Radiance of the Seas cruise. These always change, by the way, so come back weekly or daily. And you can just click on whichever code suits you. So for this demonstration, it says here, I'm going to use this one, 50% off Radiance of the Seas cruise. So I'm going to copy this code here. And now, as you can see, it's been copied to my clipboard. And then when I go to Royal Caribbean's checkout for that particular cruise, I'll get the 50% off Radiance of the Seas cruise. And if I click on the show history, you can see also this code was used last 21 hours ago and in total 9,770 times. And also Royal Caribbean code was reported working by shoppers 21 hours ago as well. So you can get more stats in some of these codes as well.